Well, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You are watching? Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry. If my son AC comes back from Europe, he will marry you. Oh, have a good girl. God bless you. Thank you very much. Oh,
And if you have another one, you can bring one.
this one is so good. Oh, thank you. Oh, if I'm up one minute. Jesus.
Hey.
How are you? Hi.
Hey, please, just hold it.
How are you?
Oh, so you have not changed, eh? You came back from Lagos. You didn't even bother to call me, eh? Talk more of coming to my house to come and see me. Well, I don't believe you. So if Mark did not tell me that you are back, eh? I will not know that you are back, right? Well, I came to look for Mama. Is Mama around?
Wait, leave Mama first. Go and bring share and come and sit down. Let's talk.
I should go and bring seat.
Go and bring seat. Let's talk.
Is Mama around? I came to look for Mama.
This thing, stop. Don't tell me any other thing. I know you came to see me. It's not Mama. Just bring share. Come and sit down.
I came to see you.
Go and bring share now.
I came to see Mama. Eh? See, from today henceforward, eh? I don't want you to be calling my name. I don't want you to call me. I don't want you to come to my house and look for me. Eh? Mama!
Hey, baby.
Mama!
Hey, your baby will not kill me with love. Well, later. So, baby, how are you? What took you so long?
Osi, are you blind? Eh? Are you blind? Can't you see my hair?
See, you don't have to be rude. Though, yes, the hair is very nice. I like the hair. Very beautiful.
No. The hair will look beautiful. Did you give me any money? Did you give me any money? The hair is beautiful.
See, you have to appreciate the fact that I complimented the hair that you did.
Please, I don't want your compliment. I don't need it. I don't want your compliment at all.
Osi. Ifeoma, how are you? This how you came to my house. You're looking so beautiful. Nice, eh? Wow. What are you doing in my house today?
Came to see Mama. Is Mama at home?
Wait. Osi. It's true. Some things I'm hearing is true, eh? Just look at the way you are hugging her comfortably in my presence, eh, Osi? Ifeoma, you too. Hi. God, I'm finished.
I don't understand.
Baby, don't be rude. Don't be rude. You know Ifeoma, she's not someone I had at your back. Why?
Osi, I don't know her. I don't know her. You see, Ifeoma, leave. I don't want to see you.
What?
Just leave.
See, let me tell you something. In my house, I dictate who stays and who leave. Don't try this next time. Ifeoma, you say you came to see Mama, right?
Yes.
She's at the backyard. You can go and see her there. I'll talk to you later. But don't try this next time. Don't try it next time. You don't dictate who stays and who leaves my house. Don't try it. Rubbish.
Osi, because of her, you are shouting on me. Because of her. Don't worry, you can go with her. Oh, follow her.
See, Ebere, where are you going to? Where are you going to? Hey, come back here. Come back and sit down here. What is all this? See, you know you are the one I love. Eh? Me and Ifeoma, we have nothing. We have nothing in common. You know that one very well. You know, baby.
Leave me. I'm the one you love. It's not only love.
Yes. And you know that one. Eh? Ebere, my love.
Please.
Osi, what happened?
What?
Why your face is just like this? Where is your car? What happened?
I was on my way to that place.
What happened?
I was on my way to that place. So I saw Ifeoma on the way.
Hey! Hey, Fumo.
Say let me drop her off. I said let me drop her off. Because she was going to the same place I was going to now. Yes. Later, we were going. On our way, when we got to the place that she was supposed to stop, and robber now carried the car.
Armed robber.
They stole the car, Mama.
They stole the car.
They stole that car, Mama.
Haven't I warned you to stay away from that girl? What are you calling her?
Informer.
Informer. Have I warned you? Eh? I warned you several times to stay away from that girl. Is it not true? You insist because you think that I'm a woman. I don't have mouth to say where you are. You are a full-grown man. That's why you went and carried that girl. I told you that that girl is a witch. Mama, you insist.
Mama is not the problem.
Shut up! Shut up! Hear what I said. You better go and bring that car in. Failing to do so, this house will not contain two of us.
Informer is not the problem.
This is the last warning. Any day I will see that informer inside my compound, I will kill you and kill informer and remain in the room. Don't mama me. Go and bring that car. Idiot.
Mama, informer is not the problem. What are we going to do?
Informer is the problem. I said that informer is the problem. Don't allow me to touch you. I am your mother. I carried you 9 months. So I have to stand and tell you what you will do and what you will not do.
But Mama,
go and bring that car. This house will not contain us. Go and bring that car.
What are we going to do now to bring the car back? Mama, you are going to.
My dear, I'm really sorry for what happened. But what are you going to do about it?
Don't worry about that, Sha. Let's see what happened has happened. All things have passed away. So, well, when I get back to Lagos, I'll buy her now. So, yourself about that.
When you get back to the Lagos, you will buy. Shut up! You have planned with your friends to steal his car. Now the car has been stolen. What are you still doing in my house? To kill him for me? Or what? Yeah, leave my house. Before I close my house and open it. Leave my house. Oh, I'm still talking, you are sitting down. Okay.
Mama, sit down. Don't worry.
Mama.
If
I see you in my house again, you will see myself.
Mama, I'm not going to
shut up your
extent now.
Which mama?
I'm not going to.
I don't want to hear your voice before I deal with you. Shut up! Close down your dirty mouth. I'm off here.
Mama, this is
if I see you in my house again, that day you will never remember the day you were born.
Mama and the informer has nothing to do with each other. I don't know why you.
Hey, where are you coming from?
How kind of person is that one?
I know you're not coming out from that compound.
What compound?
Because this your legs, I can see that you cannot even stay one place with this your legs,
What was that supposed to mean? I don't get you.
You came back from Lagos, so that both of us will start dragging about Osiabi.
My dear, if you're woman enough, Osi won't have been chasing me, okay?
So you want to know what I can do, Abi? See, if Osi trying any nonsense with me, I'm seriously going to do with you. And Osi.
My dear, don't do anything.
I can't do anything.
Stopping you, I'm telling you.
I know.
He's so disgusting. And don't, please, I have nothing to do with him, okay? I have nothing to do with Osi. See, I am too polished for you and Osi for me.
I know I'm a village girl, but I just want, if Osi try nonsense with me, I'm just going to do with you.
That is not my problem, okay?
Nonsense.
Stupid girl.
Idiot.
Mama, you know, there comes in a man's life where you have to take certain decisions. And I want to get married.
I'm expecting it from you, sis. And you will marry Ebero. Ebero is a very nice woman. very good girl. She will make a very good wife. Everything you want in a woman, Ebere has it. See, Ebere used to come to my house to wash my clothes, cook food for me, and she always make me feel happy. You will marry her. She's the only person you will bring into my house that will make me feel happy.
Mama, unless it's another Ebere you're talking about. If it's the Ebere that I know, Mama will never marry Ebere. It will never happen, no.
So, but if it's a former, you will marry her. If former, you will marry her. Let me tell you, you will marry Ebere. If former will not come to my house, so I will not live in the same roof with her.
Mama, let's leave Ifeoma out of this. So Ifeoma has nothing to do with this thing at all. What I'm saying is that if it's Ebere you're talking about, the Ebere that I know, Mama cannot marry Ebere. I don't know what you and Ebere have. I can never marry Ebere. Oh God. Mama,
you will marry Ebere. Whether you like it or not, you will marry Ebere. Or else.
Unless no one more.
Okay, we shall see.
I'm not going to marry Mama. I will never marry Ebere unless it's another Ebere. Oh God, who is married the Ebere? Is it not me? It will never happen. Wait, let me just be pressing my phone, sha. Ebere. I want me Ebere. Ifeoma, you know you're my very good friend, and I can tell you anything, right? I want to tell you that I've found a wife to marry.
Wow, are you serious?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Is the congratulations for me or for you?
It's for you, of course. You just said you want to get married.
Yeah, I said I want to get married, but you should know better. At least you should know that I have interest where you are.
Wait. No, I'm lost. How do you mean?
What I'm trying to say is that I think I like you or something. I have interest where you are.
Come on. Also, we've been friends for a while now. It's okay. I don't really expect this from you.
I know we've been friends, but at least you should have seen something that is different from the friend you used to know. I think I like you.
Oh, see, I can't. You're my very good friend. I can't marry you. Okay? I can't.
Just give it a thought.
I said
Just
I can't.
think
No, please. I can't marry you. Please. I'm leaving.
Ifeoma.
Please.
Ifeoma.
Please.
Inside that bud.
I called Osi. He ignored me because of that stupid girl that is inside there with. Don't worry, I'm going to show him difference between meat and the maggot in the meat. Don't worry, I will go. Osi, you think you can abandon me? You think you can frustrate my life and just leave me like that? Osi, you will suffer. You will suffer till you die. You will not marry for me. For me, you will not marry.
I don't know.
This is stressful. I want you to stay away from that girl. You refuse. You have seen it.
Mama. Mama.
My son.
This is
Sorry.
me.
Let's go inside.
Mama, I cannot stand up.
Manage.
Mama.
Sorry. Let's go. Mama, wait. Sorry. Let's go inside. Let's go. Sorry.
Oh God, why me?
Jesus. Oh my God. Osi. Why you like this?
You want to tell me that it's not here, Abby?
Oh.
You've not heard it from anybody.
Oh. I'm so sorry. No, I just heard it. Oh my God, people are so wicked. Who did this to you?
Everybody abandoned me, even you two, you all and abandon me.
Osi, you know I can't abandon you. I'm so sorry. Where is Mama?
Mama went out, she went to buy something. I think she went to buy orange.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry about this. Please. Have you eaten?
I've eaten something, no.
Oh, I'm so sorry about this.
Please help me and take me inside.
It's okay, I'm coming now. Let me get you something.
Okay. Okay. Oh God, why me? When you went to buy orange.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry about this. Please. Have you eaten? You know what? I can't abandon you. I can't do that. I'm so sorry. Where is Mama?
Mama went out to she wants to go and buy something. I think she wants to go and buy orange.
Oh, so sorry. Have you eaten?
Hey, I ate food this morning.
Hey. Oh my God, so sorry about this.
Please help me and take me inside.
It's okay, I'm coming. Let me get you something.
Okay.
Okay. So how are you?
I'm not fine though. I'm not fine at all. This thing is paining me.
Oh.
You know?
Sorry, it won't be alright, okay? You'll be fine. You're even sweating. Oh, it's okay. You'll be fine.
Yeah. Ebere is very wicked. You see that girl, Ebere? That girl is wicked, eh? You know? In the place where me and my mama went to the other time. They said it was Ebere that did this thing to me.
Are you serious?
And the worst thing, they did not even say it's Ebere. They said it's one plumpy fat girl like that did this thing to me. And I don't know any other person that is plumpy and fat except Ebere.
That village girl? I thought you wanted to marry her.
Huh? Was there any time I told her I want to marry her? When I was sitting down there with you under my father's tree, did I mention her name?
I thought you wanted to marry her now.
She can never smile.
That butch girl?
If you see her face,
So sorry about it, okay? Oh, that village girl. Fine.
Mama, welcome.
Welcome.
Nla, how are you doing?
Mama, welcome. You see me now.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome.
Thank you,
How long
Mama.
have you been here?
I've been here since morning, Mama.
Since morning.
Also told me that you went to the market.
Yes, sir.
The market.
Yeah, so I went to the market to sell the cocoyam I brought out from my farm.
Oh, welcome.
My daughter, I'm here to apologize. Please forgive me for whatever I have done to you. Just forgive me. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Okay?
Mama, it's okay.
You are free to marry my son, and my son is free to marry you. Okay? Forgive me. Because
It's okay. It's okay, Mama.
let me go and prepare something.
Mama.
Ella.
Welcome.
Oh, baby.
Good afternoon.